गुरु में संसार समाया, उनका है आशीष पाया। प्रभु ने खुद से भी ऊंचा गुरु का है स्थान बताया। ये गुरुवर तो ज्ञान के सागर है।
Today is the day of gratitude to those who inspire us, who guide us, who support us, and also who work hard relentlessly in educating and enlightening us despite the challenges posed by the pandemic. They are the people who put seamless effort and hard work to reach us and connect us. Today is the day to celebrate and thank them. On the occasion of Teachers' Day, we the students of grade 6, Don Bosco English Medium School Shirva has organized various activities to express our gratitude towards our teacher. Now, without any further delay, let's get into the celebration.
Teachers, we praise you, teachers. We thank you, teachers, for everything. We love you, teachers. We praise you, teachers. We thank you, teachers, for everything. सच्चे दिल से करते हैं हम आपको नमन, आपको नमन। सच्चे दिल से करते हैं हम आपको नमन, आपको नमन।
My name is Asim Sheikh and I'm from class 6A. I thank and greet all my teachers. Happy Teachers' Day. On behalf of myself and entire students, I would like to appreciate the hard work they put on us to make us and mold us to be better, disciplined and good human beings. Generally, we forget that the success and the good life we lead is because of our parents and teachers. So I would like to thank my teachers for my better future. And I would also wish them good health and happiness. Happy Teachers' Day. Thank you.
Teaching is the most divine profession. Without teachers, there wouldn't be doctors, CEOs, lawyers, engineers, authors, the list goes on. Teachers go through additional schooling, work nights and weekends, and somehow have a knack for holding on their sanity while dealing with other people's kids. Seriously, how do they do it? Behind a successful person is a good teacher. A few words of appreciation are all it takes to make a teacher smile and say, "Oh, it's all worth it." And honestly, it's the least we can do. Thank you, teachers.
You believed in us. You never give up for us. Thank you for taking our hand and helping us to grow. Thank you for your patience. We have our future because you encouraged and expected us. Thank you for understanding. We learn from you everything, every day. You were just teaching, but you are a great reader of my fears. Love you, teachers. Happy Teachers' Day.
Remembers his own education, remembers teachers, not methods and techniques. The teacher is the heart of our educational system. I wish you all a happy Teachers' Day. Thank you.
Being an excellent educator, wishing you joy and happiness. You only deserve the best. You are an amazing teacher. The best teacher teaches from heart, not from book. Thank you. Happy Teachers' Day.
Teacher takes her hand, opens mind and touches heart. A happy Teachers' Day to all my lovely teachers.
Today is 5th September. We are celebrating Teachers' Day. Teachers' Day is celebrated every year in India as September 5th is the birthday of Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan. Teachers are the ones who work selflessly for our betterment. On this occasion, I would like to thank all teachers and appreciate all the efforts taken by them for being the support pillars of my life. Thank you, teachers.
This song is for those who inspired us today, who always led a helping hand to show us the way. This song is for those who see their students through the tough times in their lives. For that we say thank you. You have made a difference. You have shaped our minds. You have changed the world one child at a time. You always be there in everything you do. I hope as you're as proud of me as I am proud of you. Happy Teachers Day!
Hi everyone, I am Shazna Naik from 6th B. Today I am going to sing a choir for my respected lovely teachers. Twinkling like a brightest star in the sky, every teacher motivates us to try. An amazing and excellent teachers you are. Calm you have been with me so far. Healthy life for you to God I pray. Extreme hard work we should do, you say. Respect every teacher deserves a lot. So how do I pay for everything you have taught? Dr. S. Radhakrishnan is an inspiration for all teachers. All teachers are amazing creatures. You deserve this. Happy Teachers Day to all teachers.
Teacher is like a candle who burn brightly to enlighten others. I expect my teachers to make my class interesting and fun. She should help me in learning new things. She should value the effort done by her students. She should challenge her students to do better things. She should encourage to speak up. Teachers should be approachable, positive and nice. I thank all my teachers and wish them Happy Teachers Day.
ಮುಂದೆ ಗುರಿರೆ ಹಿಂದೆ ಗುರು ಸಾಗುವೆವು ನಾವು ಜಯದತ್ತ ಹಣತೆಯ ಹಿಡಿದು ಬಂದೆವು ನಾವು ಬೆಳಕನ್ನು ಹುಡುಗುತ್ತ ನಿಮ್ಮತ್ತ ಇಂದು ಶುಭಾಶಯ ಶುಭಾಶಯ ಗುರುಗಳೇ ನಿಮಗೆ ಶುಭಾಶಯ 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 ನಿಮ್ಮಯ ದಿನವಿದು ಶುಭಾಶಯ ಜ್ಞಾನದ ಬೆಳಕನ್ನು ನೀಡಿದಿರಿ ಗುರುಗಳೇ ನಿಮಗೆ ಶುಭಾಶಯ ನಡೆನುಡಿಯಮ್ಮಯ ತಿದ್ದಿದಿರಿ ಗುರುಗಳೇ ನಿಮಗೆ ಶುಭಾಶಯ ದೇಶ ಪ್ರೇಮವ ಬಿತ್ತಿದಿರಿ ಗುರುಗಳೇ ನಿಮಗೆ ಶುಭಾಶಯ ಏಕತೆಗಾಗಿ ಶ್ರಮಿಸಿದಿರಿ ಗುರುಗಳೇ ನಿಮಗೆ ಶುಭಾಶಯ ಮುಂದೆ ಗುರಿ ಹಿಂದೆ ಗುರು ಸಾಗುವೆವು ನಾವು ಜಯದತ್ತ ಹಣತೆಯ ಹಿಡಿದು ಬಂದೆವು ನಾವು ಬೆಳಕನ್ನು ಹುಡುಕುತ್ತ ನಿಮ್ಮತ್ತ ಇಂದು ಶುಭಾಶಯ ಶುಭಾಶಯ ಗುರುಗಳೇ ನಿಮಗೆ ಶುಭಾಶಯ 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 ಗುರುಗಳೇ ನಿಮಗೆ ಶುಭಾಶಯ ನಿಮ್ಮಯ ದಿನವಿದು ಶುಭಾಶಯ ನಿಮ್ಮಯ ದಿನವಿದು ಶುಭಾಶಯ.
Teachers are our second mother. They are the blessings to all the students. On the occasion of Teachers' Day, I heartfully thank all my teachers for the abundant knowledge you give to us every day and the sacrifice you make for us. Thank you, dear teachers, for the inspiration, guidance, motivation, encouraging words, explaining lessons in an understanding and simple way, the love and care you shower upon us. Wishing all my teachers a very, very happy Teachers' Day. May your life be filled with love, joy, happiness, good health, and all that you wish to have. Thank you.